from the first generation of this, I've been saying that this is where real innovation is happening. This is the ASUS ZenBook Pro Duo, and I have the UX482, which I think is really, really cool. So what is the big deal? I mean, why is it called Duo? What is the main reason? It's this. See the screen here? Awesome, right? But it's this screen here, a second screen, which of course, by the way, I'm going to give you a demo. It actually rises up. Can you see? So if I close it, it just goes down. The hinge goes down. Then I actually open it out. As you can see, it rises up. So it actually comes up. So it's great for ventilation, very good viewing angle. So what can you do with a double screen? Quite a lot, actually. Like I said right in the beginning, most people have called this the most innovative laptop on the planet. And the reason is that it's not a gimmick. A lot of people would say, okay, one screen here and another big screen. It's actually quite a large screen. It's not one of those small rinky-dinky little slit screens out there. It's actually quite large. So the reason is that because a lot of the fact is that you can multitask, you can have multiple things on the main screen and multiple things on this, not just one. You can have so many things happening on it. For instance, just have your WhatsApp, your desktop WhatsApp open, music control. You can actually, if you're a creator, it's amazing. You can do so many things where the main video could be here, all your editing can be out here, or Photoshop, your main picture is here and all your tools are out here. So I started using this and I've been using it now for about a week or 10 days. I'm really hooked. I started using this and I went back to the laptop that I use and I constantly kept looking for that screen. Kahan hai wo screen? That screen really works for me. So let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at exactly why I believe that this is real innovation and it's doing really well. When we come back, we'll actually talk to the man behind this.
Many have referred to this as the most innovative laptop on the planet. Now that is a major title, but the product that we are reviewing today earns this title for all the right reasons. This is the latest ZenBook Duo UX482. Yes, ASUS has introduced a refreshed variant for one of the most innovative laptops that we have seen in the 21st century. When the ZenBook Duo was first introduced, it amazed everyone with its unique design, mainly its dual screens. Now the next generation is here and takes things to the extreme. The latest UX482 looks strikingly similar to the previous gen laptops. Slim profile, premium looks, luxury materials, real attention to detail. Weighing just 1.6 kgs including the big second screen, it is easy to carry around the laptop. Open it up and we see the major upgrades right away. Combined together with the upgraded hinge, the brand has introduced a new active aerodynamic system on the ZenBook Duo. An essential part of the cooling system, this feature comes into action when we open the laptop and the Screen Pad Plus also lifts up in sync with the hinge. Not only does it result in a higher intake of airflow, but also gives an excellent viewing angle. There is a buffet of connectivity options on the ZenBook Duo. We get one USB port, two USB Type-C Thunderbolt ports and an HDMI port. There is also a 3.5mm headphone jack too. A special mention about the main screen, stunning 14-inch Full HD display. One of the most vibrant displays in its class, this Nano Edge panel offers a maximum brightness of 400 nits. The results? Crystal clear images retaining great amounts of detail. A brighter display also means better viewing angles, which definitely adds to the experience. This primary panel on the ZenBook Duo is also validated by Pantone for color accuracy, and credits where it's due, the color detailing is indeed top-notch. Overall, the bright display combined together with the Harman Kardon certified speaker setup makes the ZenBook Duo a great device to watch or create content on. But the story doesn't end here, as this is a hybrid panel since it is also touch capacitive. Swipe, tap or pinch, it's available. ASUS bundles in an active pen that also works very well. Time now to explore the biggest USP of the ZenBook Duo, which is the Screen Pad Plus. New and improved, the Screen Pad Plus is an excellent productivity enhancer. While the initial thoughts were that it's just a handy extension, it actually turned out to be a massive tool for work, play, content creation, and pretty much everything else. The display also offers a custom launcher that can be personalized according to the user. Carrying a new control panel app with the Screen Expert 2.0, the latest ScreenPad Plus helps to expedite workflows. This feature supports Adobe Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects and Lightroom, which makes the ZenBook Duo a must-have for content creators. With the second screen in place, the biggest question is about the keyboard placement and layout, as it has a very unique placement for the keyboard and trackpad. Let's put it this way. The keyboard is excellent, but it needs a few minutes to get used to. But once we were accustomed to it, there was no turning back. With backlit keys and clicky feedback, this keyboard is amazing to type on. Running on Windows 10 Home, the variant with us is powered by 11th Gen Intel Core i7, an efficient processor. This makes the ZenBook Duo an absolute blast to work with. Combined together with 16 gigs of RAM, loading screens were a thing of the past. From the first boot up itself, this laptop teases the power it harnesses underneath. And as we further interact with it, the experience only gets better. From generic tasks like writing emails and web browsing to heavy-duty tasks like editing multiple photos, ZenBook outperformed every challenge we threw at it. To make things even better, our variant had the NVIDIA MX450 GPU, which makes the ZenBook Duo an outright media machine. From gaming to edit flows, this laptop can handle anything and everything that is graphics heavy. And with 1 TB of internal storage, we had no problem saving heavy renders and files on the ZenBook Duo. On the optics front, there is an IR-enabled camera available on the ZenBook Duo, which is definitely better than most of the laptop cameras we have tested in a while. The new Gen ZenBook Duo also scores big when it comes to battery optimization. During our testing, the laptop gave us a mileage of well over a day. These are some amazing numbers given the power we are dealing with here. And so it's time for the verdict. With a new and improved design, 2 screens, great productivity, better specs and hands-on practical features, the latest ZenBook Duo is an absolute winner. If you are someone who wants a powerful performance along with a dash of style, this most innovative laptop on earth with a starting price of Rs 99,990 is the machine for you.
So that's our verdict. We absolutely love this. This is great, and I hope more companies innovate like this. But now I promised you we'll talk to the man behind this, and he's the business head, Consumer and Gaming PC System Business Group for ASUS India. So thank you, Arnold. Thank you so much for joining me out here. Let's start by talking about the laptop we've just reviewed, the next generation of the ZenBook Duo. It's been called the most innovative laptop on the planet. I agree, but let's understand why. Why the dual screen? How does it enhance productivity? What's different in this from the previous generation? And who is this laptop best for?
Sure. First of all, thank you, Rajiv. Thanks to having us here. Yeah. So talk about the new ZenBook Pro Duo and ZenBook Duo. So like you rightly mentioned, the first question is about why we require the dual screen laptop here. So as you can see, nowadays, people are always doing multitasking at the same time. And previously, when you are using your laptop, simultaneously, you may also reply messages or WhatsApp or browsing certain contents via your smartphone. However, so when the dual screen laptop comes, now you can use your primary screen for your main work application, and simultaneously in the secondary screen, you can turn on your WhatsApp, turn on the browsers in the secondary screen. So in one device, you can use whatever the application you require. So that is why we think the dual screen is required for today's work.
Okay, Arnold, let's talk about the ZenBook as a category. What does ZenBook portfolio of laptops represent? What does it stand for?
ZenBook is the segment which we want to provide the premium and also most powerful performance in the overall consumer laptop segment.
All right, my last question is the use of laptops through the lockdown and the pandemic. Most people have realized that a laptop is worth its weight in gold. What learnings and innovation has ASUS had with the new requirements people have from a laptop? What new features are going to be more important from here on? What is ASUS going to bring out now for users?
Totally agree with you. So there are a few aspects which we are looking at. First of all, like today, the laptop, we are launching the dual screen laptop. which we really consider it is the laptop of tomorrow. Means for the multitasking requirement, it will be there. So dual screen laptop will be one of the main roadmap for us moving forward. Apart from this, it's about, like you rightly mentioned, people doesn't want just a gimmick, they want really usage. So the two-in-one device with a powerful stylus will be a second roadmap for us in moving forward.
Thank you, Arnold. Thank you so much for joining us. Once again, congratulations. Great laptop. But I'm really looking forward to now what you just announced, those amazing AMOLED screens at those price points, so that, we get the best screen and also our eyes get the best experience and they're not fatigued. I really look forward to that.
Thank you.